Once we have completed our adjusting journal entries, we post those adjusting journal entries to each of our T accounts. Again, posting is just copying the amount to the same column in the T account. So our accounts receivable had a debit of $150. I'm going to debit accounts receivable for $150. Service revenue credit of $150, credit service revenue for $150. And we're going to go through and post all of these. Wages, expense, wages payable, supplies, expense, and supplies are all going to be posted. Just note, transaction number 4 is not included in this example. As I do that, I'm using Excel, so my balances in each of my accounts are all being updated on what is now called my adjusted trial balance. So my trial balance that is prepared after my adjusting journal entries is the adjusted trial balance. I'm going to make sure it includes all of the account balances, including my new accounts, supplies expense, wages expense, and wages payable.